Friends, today's topic is development of surfaces. It is for the engineering students. So let's first talk about what is a development of a surface. Development is defined as a layout of the complete surface of an object. So if we take an object, if we unroll the object, what we get a complete surface of that object. What it means, if this is a box, if we unwrap this box, what we'll get a complete surface of this box. So it has a very wonderful application in engineering. It is being used for packings like this, and for the fabrication purposes, and much more. So let's directly start with the development. So there are many methods of development. So let's talk about the methods of development. So the first one is the parallel line method. The second one is the radial line method. The third one is the triangular method, and the fourth one is the approximate method. So my students, I'll try to teach you the two methods, that's parallel line method and the radial line method. So let's start with the question. So let's draw the circle of the base having the diameter 40. Fine. So central axis. So take anywhere a line, that's a baseline on which it is resting, and from here measure its height, which is 75 mm. So I'll measure, this is my height. Fine. So now make this line dark. All the boundary lines should be dark. Okay, this is the front view, this is the top view, this was my top view, and this is my front view. Now what we have to do, we have to unroll this front view. So when we unroll this right circular cylinder, what we are basically unrolling, we are unrolling the circumference of this cylinder. So what is the circumference of a circle? That is pi d. So we know the value of pi and we know the value of d, that is the diameter, that's 40. If we multiply pi into 40, so what we are getting 125.66 mm. So we'll draw a line. Which is of the length of 125. So anywhere you can draw it. You can draw it above, you can draw it below. There is no such rule. So but the line length is, which is 125 mm. So it is 100, 125. So draw a line. Fine. Then we know the height, that is 75. That is 75. From here also we have to draw it 75. Then you close it. Okay. So this length from here to here, how much it was? It was pi d, which was equal to 125. It was my pi d, which was equal to 125.66 mm. Okay, this is how we have to draw a development of a right circular cylinder of a base 40 and height 60. This is its development. If we again roll this back, so we'll get a cylinder from this. This was a very basic question. Let's now do some more deep questions in next classes. Fine, see you soon.